What's up, everybody? We're going to be doing the review or the open box of the Surface Maxx Professional Cleaner that you can get down at Lowe's. So I bought a power washer, and I've had these before, but I never had ones with the wheels on it. And I've always wanted to get one with the wheels to make it a little bit easier. When it's just the brush here at the bottom without the wheels, it's hard to push. A lot of friction back and forth. And if you're doing a whole driveway for residential, maybe that might be easier, but honestly, just get this. It's $149. Go ahead and unbox it. Back up a little bit so you guys can see it. What comes in it? Very actually simple. What's in here? Instruction manual. Has on the back everything that's on here and what will be needed if another piece ever had to be taken apart or be replaced. So that's a good manual to keep around. That's it, man. This is the 15-inch. Here's the bottom. All right. All stainless steel, which is real nice. That way it's not going to rust out. You'll probably have some issues on the wheel casters here, and maybe on the bolts here, and then maybe those look like stainless steel bolts. Everything looks stainless steel on in there. You might have some issues with, those look stainless steel. You probably only have an issue with here, because that does not look like it's stainless steel for the wheel caps there. So those little tiny bolts, might want to just spray paint those with a clear coat, or take your wife's fingernail polish and put white clear coat over those. If it's really that big of a deal for you. I'm going to actually show you how this thing works, so take a look. Alright, so we got this bad boy on. Just going to push it over. Super easy to push. It doesn't take hardly any effort. Doing it with the wand itself works out fantastic.